A 200-pound mineral mix that matches the nutritional content of Lucky Buck can be made from 3 ingredients at any feed store. Total cost, $23. The equivalent volume of Lucky Buck at retail pricing runs over $200. The deer at the minerals site cannot read the label. The deer attractant industry builds products around the assumption that hunters will pay hunting prices for farm supply ingredients. 5 alternatives on this list use the same chemistry, the same mineral content, and the same biological attraction mechanisms as their branded equivalents. None of them have a whitetail deer on the label. All of them work. Hank Delray ran Delray's Sporting Goods in Tulsa, Oklahoma for 41 years. He closed the doors in January of 2024. Before he left, he wrote a list he kept in the back of a leather ledger. Not the best sellers, not the high-margin items, the deer attractants that the data from his customers' trail cameras actually supported. Most of them came from the feed store, not the hunting store. Most of them cost less than $10 per season. 5 products that hunters walk past on their way to the Code Blue display. 5 that Hank put in his own hunting system, season after season, for 4 decades. Check your state regulations before use. Baiting laws vary by state and county. Number 5 on Hank's list. The trace mineral salt block from Tractor Supply or any farm supply store. $7.50 for a 50-pound block. 15 cents per pound. The branded hunting mineral blocks at Cabela's or Bass Pro Shops run between $4 and $5 per pound. A 50-pound bag of Lucky Buck retails for approximately $90. The trace mineral salt block from Tractor Supply provides the 2 primary minerals that drive whitetail deer to a lick site: salt and trace minerals. Those 2 variables are what establish and maintain a mineral site. Tennessee hunting forums documented the result directly. Multiple hunters reported trail camera images at Tractor Supply trace mineral blocks every day for full seasons. Archery Talk forum. Multiple hunters noted they stopped buying branded hunting mineral blocks after comparing trail camera activity between the 2 products. The deer could not distinguish between them. $7.50 for 50 pounds. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for what deer actually want. Number 4. Cracked corn from the feed store, not the hunting store. $5 for a 50-pound bag at a grain elevator, a co-op, or any agricultural feed supplier. The same product that hunting retailers repackage, add a deer silhouette to the bag, and sell for $12 to $15 per 50 pounds. Hunt Talk forum documented the pattern across multiple threads. Go to a feed store, get the corn. It will be half the price of retail. Nothing beats straight corn in states where baiting is legal. The scented corn variations that hunting retailers sell at premium prices are documented by experienced hunters as providing no measurable improvement over plain cracked corn. Hunt Talk. Scented corn is a gimmick to make more money per bag. Nothing beats straight corn. A hunter running a corn feeder through a full pre-rut and rut season will go through several hundred pounds of corn. That volume at feed store pricing runs $40 to $60. At hunting retailer pricing for the same volume, it runs $100 and $150. The deer eat the same corn. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for what deer actually want. Number 3. Blackstrap Molasses, $8 per gallon at any Tractor Supply, farm supply, or grocery store in bulk. The ingredient that makes most commercial deer attractants smell the way they smell. Arkansas Hunting Forum documented hunters running corn and molasses as one of the most consistent long-range attractants they had ever used. The molasses provides several things simultaneously: a long-range scent profile that carries farther than dry corn alone, natural mineral content including calcium, potassium, and iron that deer require, a palatability boost that gets deer to return to a site even after the corn is gone. The application is straightforward. Pour molasses directly over corn on the ground or on a stump. Pour molasses into a drilled log or a mineral site to extend the active period. The scent carries on the wind far beyond the application area. $8 per gallon. A gallon runs a full hunting season of site maintenance across multiple locations. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for what deer actually want. Before we get to the top 2 on Hank's list, the complete deer attraction and stand placement system Hank used across 4 decades of retail and hunting is documented inside the hunter's vault, linked below. Order Bump 5, the Ghost Scent System, covers the complete field approach protocol that pairs with every product on this list. Point your camera at the QR code in the bottom right, or find the link in the description. But stay right here, because the top 2 are the ones Hank never stocked on the shelf, because they were not products. Before any deer attractant went into Hank's ledger, it passed 4 tests. First, ingredient transparency, full disclosure of what is in the product. If a company will not tell you exactly what the active ingredients are, the product does not go on the list. The best deer attractants are built on simple, declared chemistry: salt, minerals, fermentable sugars, natural plant compounds. Products that hide their ingredients behind proprietary blend language are hiding something the hunter should know. Second, trail camera documentation, not testimonial, not television endorsement. Trail camera images across a full season showing documented deer use. Products that produce consistent trail camera activity across multiple properties and multiple hunters pass this test. Products that produce strong results on one paid television hunt and inconsistent results in the field do not. Third, price per pound of active ingredient. Most branded hunting attractants are primarily salt, mineral, or fermentable sugar. When you calculate the price per pound of the active ingredient against the farm supply equivalent, the hunting markup becomes clear. Products where the price reflects chemistry rather than marketing pass this test. Fourth, does it bring deer back? A site that fires for 1 week and goes cold failed the test. A site that deer return to week after week through October and November, and that builds in activity year over year as deer establish it as a permanent feature of their home range, passed it. The products that build sites deer own, not sites deer visit, are the ones that made Hank's list. Number 2, the homemade mineral mix from Archery Talk forum, documented across hundreds of hunters over more than a decade of forum threads. 200 pounds for $23. The formula: 1 50-pound bag of dicalcium phosphate from the feed store, approximately $11. Dical is a dairy feed additive that provides calcium and phosphorus in the ratio that whitetail deer require for antler growth and bone development. 2 50-pound bags of trace mineral salt, the loose red variety without medication, approximately $5 per bag. 1 50-pound bag of plain salt, approximately $2. Mix the 3 ingredients together. Dig a shallow oval approximately 36 inches wide and 6 inches deep. Mix the mineral blend into the loosened soil. Do not use a block or a log. Mixing into the soil allows rain to carry the minerals down into the earth over time. Deer will dig the site deeper season after season as the mineral-saturated soil becomes a permanent fixture of their home range. Archery Talk forum users documented mineral sites using this formula that produced trail camera images every day for multiple consecutive seasons. The sites that perform best are the ones deer dig down through the years. A deer that has been visiting a mineral site for 3 seasons is not going to stop because the branded hunting bag ran out. $23 for 200 pounds. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for what deer actually want. Number 1 on Hank's list costs nothing. Not a product, not a formula, a correctly positioned mock scrape. Rockslide Forum documented the principle that experienced whitetail hunters have understood for decades. Set up a mock scrape where it will become a real scrape with real deer scent. The goal is not to fool a deer with a chemical compound. The goal is to trigger a territorial behavior that whitetail bucks perform compulsively during the pre-rut and rut, regardless of whether a product is present. The elements of a correctly positioned mock scrape: a licking branch hanging at nose height over a cleared oval of ground, approximately 3 feet across. The licking branch is the critical element. Whitetail bucks interact with licking branches by rubbing their forehead glands, preorbital glands, and nasal glands against the branch overhead. This deposits scent that communicates territorial information to every other buck that passes through the area. Once a mature buck deposits his own scent at the site, the mock scrape becomes a real scrape maintained by real deer with real biological investment in the location. Gone Forum documented multiple hunters who killed mature bucks over properly positioned mock scrapes built with no commercial product. $0. Unlimited use across every season. Legal everywhere in every state without restriction. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for what deer actually want. ETT list. Number 5, Trace Mineral Salt Block from Tractor Supply, $7.50 for 50 pounds. The same mineral content as hunting branded blocks at 15 cents per pound versus $4 to $5 per pound. Number 4, Cracked Corn from the feed store, $5 for 50 pounds, half the price of hunting branded corn. Same product, same deer response. Number 3, Blackstrap Molasses, $8 per gallon, long-range scent carrier, natural mineral content, documented across hunting forums as one of the most consistent food-based attractants available. Number 2, Homemade Mineral Mix, $23 for 200 pounds, dicalcium phosphate plus trace mineral salt plus plain salt, documented across Archery Talk across a decade of confirmed trail camera results. Number 1, DIY Mock Scrape, $0, triggers compulsive territorial behavior in whitetail bucks. Gets better every season as deer overtake it with real scent. Legal everywhere. The math on a full hunting season. A hunter running Code Blue Platinum, Lucky Buck, Tinks 69, and Evercom spends over $200 per season on attractants. The same hunter running the Tractor Supply mineral block, feed store corn, Blackstrap Molasses, and a properly positioned mock scrape spends under $30. The trail camera images across a season document no measurable advantage for the $200 system. The pattern that connects every product Hank excluded from his ledger is the same. The hunting markup exists because hunters believe that a product designed specifically for whitetail deer must work better than one designed for cattle or dairy operations. The deer do not share that belief. They respond to salt, mineral, fermentable sugar, and the territorial communication of a correctly positioned scrape. Whether those things come in a bag with a deer on the label or a bag with a cow on the label changes the price. It does not change the deer. The complete deer attraction and stand placement system Hank documented across 41 years of retail and field hunting is inside the hunter's vault, linked below. Order Bump 5, the Ghost Scent System, covers the full field protocol that pairs with every attractant on this list. Point your camera at the QR code in the bottom right or find the link in the description. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for what deer actually want. Drop a comment with the attractant you have been running and whether the trail camera results have matched the label. Hank's ledger says most hunters have a story that goes in one direction. Next week, we are back with another $0 fix that the industry has been quietly burying for decades.